Welcome back. So far in our journey, we have registered a new vehicle, opened the job card, and completed the inspection form. This brings us to the work order interface. Here you can add additional services or items based on the customer requirements. The process is the same as the one we covered in our job card creation video. Next, to each service name, you will see its status, whether it's scheduled, in progress, or completed. You can edit the service price at any time or remove the service entirely if needed. For each service, you can assign a technician. This helps us to better track the technician's performance and KPI. The system will also recommend the technicians based on who has better performance to specific service. You can assign multiple technicians to a service and start their time once they begin working. And when you assign multiple technicians to same service, this will shorten the service time automatically. Each service has an expected completion time, making it easy to spot any delays and identify vehicles that are failing behind schedule. If a service requires additional parts, you can add them by clicking the plus icon here and selecting the required part. To add internal notes for your technical team, simply click this icon and enter your notes. On the other side, for the customer-facing information, you can use the customer side remark. These remarks will appear in all documents shared with the customer. Once the service is completed, the technician can review and mark the checklist, clearing it from their end. You can also add attachments, apply discounts in amount or a percentage, or print and download the work order whenever needed. Finally, once all services are completed and the vehicle is ready, you can issue the invoice and prepare it for delivery. At this point, the vehicle journey through your workshop is almost completed. In the next video, we will walk you through invoice management and financials. Thank you for watching. Until next time, ciao.